Welcome to Cyberspace. You are now watching latest cyber technologies of 2023 to future. 1. Firewalls and antivirus software. These are essential tools used to protect computers and networks from cyber threats, such as viruses, malware, and hacking attempts. 2. Encryption. This technology helps to secure data by converting it into a code that can only be read by authorized individuals or systems. 3. Biometric authentication. This technology uses unique physical characteristics, such as fingerprints or facial recognition, to identify and authenticate users. 4. Virtual private networks, VPNs. These are secure, encrypted connections between remote computers or networks that allow for secure data transmission and communication. 5. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is used in cybersecurity to detect and respond to threats in real time by analyzing data and patterns of behavior. Blockchain. This technology provides a secure, decentralized way to store and transfer data, making it increasingly popular for secure online transactions. 6. Internet of Things, IoT. This technology connects devices to the internet, allowing for greater automation and control, but also creating potential vulnerabilities that require cybersecurity measures. 7. Cloud computing. This technology allows for data and computing resources to be stored and accessed remotely, but also requires strong cybersecurity measures to protect against data breaches. Don't forget to subscribe. Cyberspace for watching.